Today I'm gonna show you my apple fruit trees. I have them in a 15-gallon pot. This one is Dorsett golden apple, and this one is an apple. I have them close together because they're supposed to pollinate each other. They're low chilling hour apple varieties, so they shouldn't have a problem growing here in zone 9. These are the flowers. Last year I only had this one, the golden Dorsett golden, and it's actually self-pollinating, but supposedly with both of them they grow bigger apples. So hopefully this year I can show you my apple harvest. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, so I will be uploading more videos of my plants and fruit trees in my garden. Thank you for watching.